Hello YouTube. In this video we're gonna make a pen assembly kit. This Steampunk assembly kit, pre-finished and bought on the internet. And we're gonna make it with these nut scales and with this verawood or guajac wood piece. So I'm gonna grind this flat, glue it between the nuts, and then make a blank out of it and shape the blank with my pre-fitted tools. I have here a kit which I made myself to turn these blanks. I'll show you later how it works when we're on the lathe. First of all, I'm going to grind this piece down, get flat, and then glue it to these pieces. Some super glue. Okay, now that I've preformed them pieces, it's time to clean them with some acetone, and now we're gonna glue them together with some super glue. Clean away the dust, maybe fingerprints I left on there. Now simple super glue. Take enough. Swirl it around on the surface. Not a wooden block. Oh, way too much super glue. Take the other nut. Also cover it with super glue with this side. So way enough super glue. Took way too much. You took way too much, guys. So no problem. And now push it, press it together. And use clamp. Okay, put it into clamps. I'm now gonna let it harden a little bit. Then grind the outer surface. Drill the hole and start putting it on the mandrel, and then start turning it. Okay, now that it's centered pretty well on my lathe, I turned this surface flat. I'm gonna drill a center to the hole, and then we start drilling the hole inside. We need a 9.4 millimeter hole, so I'm gonna pre-drill an 8 millimeter hole and turn out the rest to make it absolutely perfect. Okay, completely through now. And now I'm going to use a special tool which I made myself. It's a clamping device for round tools. I made a 6mm, 8 and a 10mm, and I take old tabs and grind them to chisel, and so I have a special tool to carve or to turn small diameters from the inside out. I just have to fit the diameter. perfectly. Slightly turn the tool is slightly at an angle, so the tip always touches first and nothing of the shaft touches inside. Okay, now we finish the inner diameter, so the pipe fits in snugly but perfect. And now we go to the outer diameter. As you see, I use self-made tools from Knife Steel, Burler N690, hardened to 60 Rockwell, and they work perfect for turning wood, bone, anything natural materials without teeth. Tooth material is too hard. Now I just pre-turn an outer diameter to clamp it from the other side and make it flush. And it's not very exact. It's just about 15 millimeters, 15.1, 15.2, 14.8. It's not that special. We're gonna turn down to 14 anyway. So now we'll look at the whole piece. Got no cracks. Super glue held up very well. And you see, don't touch the nut with your dirty fingers. Those colors. Now we're going to clamp it on this side. Now we turn the outer diameter and the surface flat to the exact length of the tube, of the breast tube. First the diameter. Okay, about the same. Pretty nice. Yeah, clamp it perfect. And now turn the front surface. Flush as we need it. Okay, now that we pre-drilled everything, we countersink these holes by hand, just a little bit. Take out the blank. Now, don't glue the tube in, or it matters which kind of mandrel you have, but in my case, my mandrel works the way without a tube. Push it here up. Then we're going to take this piece up here, slide it in, Now, as you can see, we have the perfect diameter of the pen, and just gonna finish it up with these nut wheel. Now I take this metal piece, metal rod with a tip already in the front, and I'm gonna fit it in here very slightly. The other side, the most simple chuck, we take this with this turning tip, so it fits perfectly in here and in here, and then we can turn it. Okay, now that everything is set, runs pretty smooth, I'm gonna turn the flat diameter, and then we're gonna buff it, and it's almost finished. Press together the pen, and that's it. Now the lines are perfectly centered, and we can grind it. Grind the surface a little bit, and then we're going to polish it. Okay, that's it. I'll clamp it. Now I'm just gonna buff it a little bit, and then it's finished. Okay, now to assemble the whole piece, we start with the front. Unscrew the bullet tip with the spring, and here it's a very thin piece. I use plastic to not crush the wood from my vise, and I use my wood vise here because it clamps faster. Okay, now we're gonna push the brass tube onto the front piece carefully, and when you get up on, just stop. Okay, now first piece is pressed on. Now do not forget your blank, else you will have a big problem. I do not glue them on, I just push them on. You see, it's perfect. And now we push in the back piece here and press it in. Back piece, just already push it in here and press fit it together again. So the plastic again. Carefully look here straight and carefully push it. With a bit of pressure, push it together. And that's it. Yeah, pretty much centered with the clip. Real nice wooden grain we get here. It's awesome. Guajac wood, I love it. My favorite wood. And the nut also looks very nice. It's very hard. What a dense material, and I think it fits perfectly to the steampunk. Now, last thing we need to do is take the mine and push it in here. Whoop. Screw the cap back on, and it looks awesome. It's very awesome. It's a pretty heavy pen, but it's most likely for optical reasons, I say. Don't use it all day long because it's really heavy, but it looks great and it works great. You see, bolt action mechanism. So, hope you like my video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and thanks for watching.